Una abogada y un caso difícil.
Miss Stubbs, I'm going to set bail at $25,000.
She doesn't have a chance to make that kind of bail.
That's exactly the point.
Oh, this is Miss Stubbs, Ella Barker's attorney. Lieutenant Frank Renata, Miss Stubbs.
Pleasure.
If you don't tell me the truth, I can't get you out of here. Who's Larry Gaines?
He's my boyfriend.
Okay.
Look, I can help you with that nurse that's in jail, but you helped me. I didn't kill Hector.
Did Larry kill him?
Su cliente es inocente, pero los testigos están siendo asesinados.
I have never seen that lady before in my life.
You are such a liar. And I don't owe anybody anything. Now get out. Just get... I have seen this woman in action. You could be next. You keep following me, I'll have you up for harassment, and just for the hell of it, I'll charge you with indecent exposure.
Scream and I'll kill you!
What do you want?
El peligro es constante.
Yeah.
Mike Renata, come on.
What do you want?
Drop the gun!
Ella da todo en su profesión. También en el amor.
Who's trying to kill me, Pike?
Who's the client you want to see?
None of your business.
Farrah Fawcett,
You do realize that both of us just made love with the one person in the world we were born for?
A. Martínez,
You make a great call.
Yeah, that'll be the day.
eliminando testigos. Un colegio en caos.
You teach here?
I used to.
Nadie quería enseñar. Nadie quería aprender.
Only this time, tell them not to look for a principal, because these kids don't want an education, they want a warden.
You applying for the job, Mr. Litke?
Llega un nuevo rector y con él la esperanza.
I want to make Thayer High the best school in New Hampshire. I'm going to need all of you to be involved in 1,000 ways.
Pero para muchos no es lo que esperaban.
Stop that! You're not here to fight! No, stop it! Stop it!
Looks like a hippie to me.
We had a principal who shaved and wore a suit, and look where he got us.
Él es distinto.
We have to find a way to hook in each individual kid. We have to find a way to turn that key.
Sus técnicas de enseñanza son poco ortodoxas.
Great, okay.
Pronto las cosas empiezan a funcionar.
The teacher shouldn't be teaching that.
I don't think the people in town know what's happening here.
You want to give up the class?
I want to make it work. Don't you ever give up.
Pero tropezará con un escollo difícil de superar.
Oh, are you so against him?
It's not just me, darling. It's a lot of us.
I want everyone to have his own voice. I want everyone to have his own chance.
What Dr. Litke is doing has nothing to do with better education.
Michael Tucker. La historia de un rebelde. Ahora sí, lo invitamos a disfrutar de su película elegida.
What else can we say about her?